What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we hit the golden pocket pattern, and let me show you that it is the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing low to this swing high, and as you can see we completed all 5 wave structure right here, and it was the leading first wave diagonal, and then we had this type of retracement, and I have to say that ABC correction right here is only the A wave on a slightly bigger scale, and on a bigger scale we have something like this. This wave is our A wave, this is our B wave, and this is our C wave. Let me delete this tool, I don't need it for now. And I've told you that we might hit lower levels if we will break the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level at $10.51. And these levels are following. It is $10.29 and $10.09. And as you can see, we hit exactly to the tick this range. And how I defined this range. So it is quite simple. The most probable ratio in between A wave and C wave is 1:1. And for this case, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool, it is right here, from this top to this bottom, and I project the length from the top of the B wave right here, as you can see, and here is the tool. And we hit the 1:1 extension, as you can see at this point, and we went higher from this range. So technically I've told you that if we will have this lower price action and then we will have a bounce, your entry point might be on the retracement and your stop loss might be slightly below this previous bottom. So right here you could accumulate your position, and depending on your entry price you might be up to current level for about 16%. Definitely very good achievement in the course of just a couple of sessions. So, and I will continue my technical analysis and I will make my forecast and my breakdown of this wave in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the news. What was the reason of this massive spike in price? And 2 days ago, on March 16th, we have this article that is titled "Federal Reserve approves first interest rate hike in more than 3 years, sees 6 more ahead." And let me quote you the bullets. The Fed approved a 0.25 percentage point rate hike, the first increase since December 2018. Officials indicated an aggressive path ahead, with rate rises coming at each of the remaining 6 meetings in 2022. Members also paired expectations for economic growth this year and sharply raised their outlook for inflation. And I've told you on multiple of my previous videos that if the interest rate hike will be not more than 0.25%, definitely it will be a bullish signal for the markets. And it happened. As you can see, 0.25%, and the majority of stocks went higher from this range. And it was the main reason why we had this movement. But let me show you in a bigger picture, and let me show you this news. It was published also on March 16th, and it says: Palantir, stock-based compensation is definitely a concern, but the war is an even bigger problem. And the summary is: Palantir Technologies stock price fell 17.79% from February, partially attributed to the company missing consensus estimates earnings per share of 4 cents. For full year 2020 and full year 2021, the company's stock-based compensation totaled $1.27 billion and $778 million respectively, representing close to 116 and 50.4% of its respective revenues. Nonetheless, we expected stock-based compensation to moderate over the next 3 years once the company turns GAAP profitable. And I have to say that I also covered this information, that it will be much lower stock-based compensation in upcoming years because C executives of Palantir won't receive any option plans for Palantir stock. Next one. Due to the ongoing war in Ukraine, we also expect government expenditures on defense and security to increase, which will further boost PLTR's revenue growth and adoption moving forward. As a result, we expect the company's excellent forward performance to counter the negative impact on its share-based compensation. So, I have to say that this article is quite interesting, and I will put the link on this article in the description below. You can read it by yourself. But I have to say that this article shows the bigger picture of the potential of Palantir. And definitely, because of all of the issues in supply chains and any other problems in logistics or in other sectors, Palantir might help these companies to avoid these potential losses. And definitely, it is a very good time for Palantir, and especially if you take a look on its price. And for now it has only $12.24, and it is not far away from its lowest point of $9.41. Definitely, fundamentally, this asset might be very beneficial for you as an investor. And let's continue with the institutional investors of this company. And I have to say that since I made my previous video, we have just 3 recent filings, and all of them are green. Basically, this one is green too, because this company, Optimum Investment Advisors, increased its position by 5.61%. And I have to say that these positions are not so big, but still, we have more bullish sentiment from institutional investors, despite of all the decrease in its price. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we have this movement to the upside, and technically we broke this previous swing high, and it is a very good sign, but we didn't break this range at $12.5 price point, and we didn't establish higher highs and higher lows from this very bottom. We established higher low, and it was very technical, as I already mentioned, but we didn't break this range. And I have to say that this movement to the upside, and by the way, we are on 15 minutes time frame, we have something like this. This might be our internal, probably this is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. It is not the best breakdown, I have to say, but still it might work. Next one, we might have, I guess, couple of waves in our fifth wave right here. 1, 2, probably this might be 3, 4 and 5. And this might be the bigger picture. We might have something like this. This is our first wave, second, this entire is third, fourth and fifth. And I have to upgrade the scale. So let me turn off unnecessary waves. And probably we have this breakdown as our major Elliott wave theory breakdown, but I have some doubts with the top of our fifth wave. Probably we might have some retracement and next small leg to the upside. And if it is the case, most likely we might hit this range, the $12.5, and from this range we might have a trend reversal. And when it happens, it will be next potential range where you could accumulate your position. And you could measure these levels by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to the top, and depending on the highest point right here, you have to adjust this tool, and if it will be higher, you should put it a little bit higher. But for now we have this as our highest point, and the ranges where you can accumulate your position is following: 0.382, 0.5 and the golden pocket, and it is the price points of $11.54, $11.3 and roughly $11 mark. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Congratulations to all of you who took my call and who entered the position somewhere at this point. You might be up more than 15%. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.